Now here we know about web hosting. What is web hosting actually? See, web hosting is a service of providing online space for storage of web pages. That means it is a service. Without this hosting, you can't make your website live over the internet, right? So you'll be taking hosting. There are many hosting service providers that you can search in Google. So here you take space in a server. And what is server? Server is a kind of powerful machine or powerful computer which keeps the files of all different websites at one place, right? So whenever people type any website address, so it connects normally with the server. Then after their website will be able to see. So that means here we can understand कि in a server you are taking some space and you'll be getting some backend access also. So at the backend part, not only you can see the other things, but you can also design and develop your website, right? So so in short we can say you rent a space on a computer to hold your website. Computer, that means server, right? You rent a space on a server to hold your website. So if we talk about the categories of web hosting, so normally there are two types of categories. The first one is Linux web hosting and the second one is Windows hosting. So this Linux and Windows is nothing, it's a operating system for a server. So Linux web hosting is the most famous one. Most of the companies, most of the people normally they take space on this server, right? And this Linux web hosting, we can say it's an open platform for everyone. It supports I mean PHP and MySQL coding as well, and it also provide some CMS like WordPress, Card, and PHP BB, where you can go and with the help of this CMS, you can create your website. And on the other way, Windows hosting, needs Windows Server to perform. And for maintaining your site in this server, you need to have a special type of coding knowledge, that is .ASP, .NET, and Microsoft SQL. So here Linux web hosting may be the best choice if you are a newbie or if you are a startup or if you are totally new in this website designing part.